The ombre encore yarn is very soft. The structure of the yarn is a chinet hair core with a halo around it with those pretty ombre colors. They are just gorgeous, and the sheen that shows, especially here under the light, is just beautiful. I made a beanie with the houndstooth stitch in both colors, and they just help each other pop. The beauty of this yarn just comes up so well, and it doesn't split because of the structure of the yarn, and it's just a pleasure to work with. I'm using a 7 millimeter crochet hook, the one that's suggested on the label. And yeah, it's between 6.5 and 9 millimeters. I'm using 7, and my tension is very loose, so it just works perfectly. And the effect, you cannot beat that. It's just beautiful. Look at these gradient colors. I received this product free to try, but I enjoyed working with it so much.